This is the internal structure of the Honda SP1 from back to front. Let's try and get it in focus. So this is everything that's under the seat, and the rear focus in.
Well, goddamn. YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube. Internal structure of the SP1, Honda SP1.
Dad, can I take your teeth out?
I dropped my crackers.
Okay, so here is the fuel line. Where is the fuel line? Somewhere here. And a huge air filter. There's a lot that goes on underneath this seat. You get all the wiring as well. Up over the top of the air filter. And to the front. Coming down the left side of the Honda SP1. Put the cable ties on just to keep the wires in place whilst we strip it down to clean. Radiator. I'm just going to go round back, show you the right hand side. So if it's a bit fuzzy, just double. Okay, so we're now at the right hand side of the Honda SP1. It's a bit tight around here. Okay, so the right hand side. There's a lot of wiring in this bike. So the other radiator on the right hand side. Haven't got much room this side to video, but you get the gist of it's virtually the same as the left. So we're back round to the front. And there you go, there is the Honda SP1. Strips of all the fairings and bits and bobs, and we're getting ready to totally clean this bike. Clean everything in it, and then to put it all back together again. Thank you for watching.